Hi, welcome to Word Work, where we put words to work, word by word. In this video, you will learn some words related to one occupation. Here are the words to learn. Dentist, hygiene, tooth decay, dental, cavities, fillings, root canal, extractions, whitens, gum disease, teeth, braces. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do. Click the notification bell so that you will be notified when there's a new video posted. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Now learn to use each word in a sentence. Alina is a dentist. Alina promotes dental hygiene. Alina treats tooth decay. Alina reads a dental x-ray. Alina checks for cavities. Alina does fillings. Alina performs root canal. Alina does extractions. Alina whitens teeth. Alina treats gum disease. Alina corrects teeth with braces. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.